Hey there, welcome to Tuneland. I'm little Howie.
Freestyler, rock the microphone, straight from the top of my dome.
It's Disney's House of Mouse. Who's that knocking at the House of Mouse? We're all knocking at the House of Mouse. So come on in, we're gonna shake the house. We're all rocking at the House of Mouse. We're having a ball in Rock of the Hall. So come on home to the House of Mouse.
Come see the softer side of Sears.
KRLA, Pasadena.
Control your music here on the Box Music Network.
Wow, that's a lot of shrimp.
At Red Lobster, enjoy 30 shrimp for just $10.99.
Me too. We got soda, OJ, purple stuff, and 2 kinds of Sunny D.
Puzzle place, the puzzle place. We're going to the puzzle place. Sizzle and Nuzzle are a double treat, and the Peace Police are on the beat.
To a shining time station where dreams can come true, waiting there for you.
This is ABC 7 Los Angeles. Now, Mark Brown, Michelle Tuzzi, Dallas Raines, and Rick Lozano with Eyewitness News at 4.
Me and my best teddy bear, sitting in my favorite chair. We are going out to play. Just like every day. There's a great big world outside. Alegra's window. You never know until you try. Alegra's window.